So here we have the Mercedes-Benz A180 on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. I'm going to start off inside the boot area of it first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we've got plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through, as I mentioned, the controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 53,610. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and the digital readout for the speedometer that you can see on the screen now. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was just using are here. We have our stereo and phone controls on the right-hand side, and then into the center, the main screen for the car. So we're on the radio menu at the moment. And if we go down to waveband, you'll be able to see that this car has got AM and FM radio. The movement that I'm making on the screen is being done using this dial just here. You can use the buttons that appear on this main unit as well. So for example, I could press the media button, and we are then on our media menu, which is where you'll listen to your own music. We have Bluetooth audio, we have a CD player, memory card, media interface, so you can save your own music as well. You can pair up your phone under the telephone heading just here. Once you've done so, you'll be able to stream your music wirelessly and make and receive phone calls. This car's also got satellite navigation. The map, as you can see, is a clear color display. Very, very easy system to use ultimately. And if we put it into reverse, you've got a full color reversing camera as well. Working our way down, we have that main stereo unit. The buttons I mentioned a moment ago, you can answer and end phone calls. You've got your volume for your stereo and your CD player all on here. Beneath that, you can turn off your stop and start for the car. This vehicle is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. So you can turn that on and off. It has warning lights on and off. You can put the vehicle into dynamic or sport, individual or eco. Every push of that button will put you in a different mode, comfort being your kind of everyday driving. Below that, dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, driver temperature. You can determine the direction the air is being distributed in. You can increase and decrease the fan speed as well. The air conditioning is on, so that button turns it off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain these temperatures. You can override that whenever you wish to. We can open up this section. That's where the key is at the moment. The key just needs to be in the car with you to start the vehicle up. We have a 12-volt charging socket, the 6-speed manual gearbox, and then 2 cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.